Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate dessert, full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, measure cocoa and flour, and melt chocolate gently over low heat. Combine wet and dry ingredients until smooth, then fold in chocolate chips or nuts. Pour batter into prepared pan and bake until a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs. Cool briefly before serving with whipped cream or fresh berries. Enjoy warm for deepest flavor. Start by collecting ingredients and tools on your counter so nothing gets missed. Measure cocoa, sugar, flour, salt, baking powder, and butter accurately. Melt your chocolate slowly and whisk until glossy, then temper into the batter for consistent texture. Fold in additions like chips or nuts gently to preserve air. Transfer batter to a lined pan and bake, watching closely for doneness. Let it rest before slicing and plating. Serve warm or chilled depending on preference. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your kitchen to life with clear sound and hands-free timers, so you can cue music and set multiple timers while baking. It's compact, affordable, and perfect on a counter or shelf. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it helps. Now let's get back to the video. Small adjustments change outcomes, so tweak time and temperature for your oven's quirks. Use a toothpick test to aim for moist crumbs, not raw batter for fudgy texture. Rotate the pan halfway through baking for even browning. If you want a denser dessert, reduce leavening slightly. For lighter results, fold less vigorously. Always cool a bit in the pan so slices hold shape, then finish with garnish. Serve with cream or fruit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.